job as a teller at a local bank. The Merrills both had reservations about her.
Julie was troubled.
Was that apparent to you?
Come on, off!
Yes.
In what way?
She had some
Boring.
substance abuse.
I'm trying to make a funny video. It wasn't that funny. So, make sure you subscribe. I tried to make a funny video. So, I gotta have, if I have 1 million subscribers and 1 million views, that'd be awesome. If I get up to that, then I'll be happy. Oh, she's got the hiccups. Dad, the dog has the hiccups. The dog has the hiccups. She's going. She has the hiccups because she's so scared. She's going. Oh, really? Now it's funny. Is it funny to see a dog hiccup?
Yeah.
Okay, now I'm gonna get more subscribers when she hiccups.
Does my girl want to go out?
It's her pink collar. It wakes up. Okay.
The leash is right there next to the sink.